In a world adorned with grey and mist, the rain descends, a gentle twist, a symphony of droplets, dancing and free, upon this canvas, nature's melody. Beneath the sky a girl stands, embracing raindrops with outstretched hands, while laughter echoes through the air. A reflection of joy beyond compare. Thoughts within her mind take flight. As raindrops kiss her face so light, she ponders life's enigmatic grace in this watery embrace. With each raindrop a story untold, whispering secrets, mysteries unfold. Thoughts like raindrops come and go as nature's rhythm begins to flow. She finds solace in the rhythm and beat as raindrops play upon the street. A dance of nature, a captivating trance in the rain's tender advance. She wonders of life's transient ways, how rain washes troubles, gently sways. Thoughts of dreams and love collide. As raindrops fall, her soul feels alive. In the rain's embrace, she finds release, a moment of solace, a sense of peace. The world may weep, but so does she, in this shared vulnerability. Oh, how the rain caresses her hair, and with each drop she feels aware of nature's power, her own strength, in this downpour's wondrous length. So she revels in the rain's gentle touch, savoring every moment she clutches. Thoughts of hope and dreams so dear, in the rain's symphony she holds them near. For in the rain she finds her bliss, a moment of pure, unbridled bliss. With thoughts like raindrops she ascends, as the girl and the rain beautifully blend.